Hello everyone, I'm Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the cylinder and piston kit from QA Parts for the Yamaha Banshee. Alright, today we're giving you a closer look at the cylinder and piston kit come from QA Parts for the Yamaha Banshee. Now the Banshee, if you own one, you're lucky. Easily one of the most iconic ATVs that is out there. I've actually had the privilege to ride one in the dunes. They are an absolute blast. But if the time has come for you to rebuild your top end and you want to do it without breaking the bank, then this kit from QA Parts is just what you need. You're going to get everything that you need to completely rebuild your top end, all for about 120 bucks. That is a killer deal. We've actually installed one of these on a Banshee here at Rocky Mountain, the Banshee that I rode at the dunes, and it runs really, really good. So I'm going to go through and talk about everything that you get so you know exactly what you're paying for. So first up with the Banshee, obviously you're going to have two cylinders that come included. You're going to have your cylinder head studs. You're going to have your two pistons. Your pistons are going to have all your pins, your clips, your rings, your wrist pin bearings are also going to come included. It's going to have all the gaskets that you need. So you're going to have your head gasket, your base gasket, as well as your reed valve gaskets. So like I said, everything that you need to completely rebuild the top end on your Banshee, you get with this kit for about 120 bucks. If you have any other questions or comments about this, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And also, if you like how-to videos, we have one that shows you step-by-step how to rebuild the top end on your Banshee. So if you pick up this kit, you need some help with that, watch that video. That will really help you out. Remember, orders over 75 bucks ship free. To pick up your kit, just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. But remember, we do have these kits for different machines, so when you're picking yours up, just be sure to enter the make, the model, and the year of your Banshee to ensure that you do get the proper kit. I'm Chase of Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.